about tissues. So, what are tissues? A group of cells having a common origin and performing similar function are termed as tissues. Now that we understand what tissues are, let's explore whether plants and animals are made of the same types of tissues. Plants and animals differ in structure and function. Plants are stationary, with supportive tissue, while animals move actively and have mostly living tissues. Plants have growing, meristematic, and non-growing, permanent, type of tissues in them. However, animals only have single type of tissues which have same amount of growth. Let us look at some differences. Characteristic structural and functional variation. Plants, stationary, upright, lack mobility. Animals, mobile, move for food, mates, and shelter. Supportive tissue differences require extensive supportive tissue due to fixed nature. Supportive tissue often contains dead cells. Less supportive tissue since mobility is inherent. Most animal tissues comprise living cells. Growth pattern disparities, limited growth in specific regions. Certain tissues divide throughout life, meristematic tissue. Uniform cell growth. No clear demarcation of dividing and non-dividing regions. Organizational specialization. Less specialized organ systems compared to animals. Adapted for a sedentary existence. Highly specialized and localized organ systems in complex animals. Reflects adaptation to active locomotion and specific feeding methods. Adaptation to different lifestyles. Suited for a sedentary lifestyle, emphasizing upright growth. Adapted for active locomotion, reflecting a dynamic lifestyle. With a clearer understanding of these differences, let's focus specifically on plant tissues. Plant tissue. Both plants and animals have similar life processes. However, they do not have similar types of tissues because of differences in their organization, growth patterns, mode of living, lifestyle, movement, and locomotion. So, the growing cells can be seen in the upper stem region. The other kind can be seen in other parts. Plant tissue is of two types. Meristematic tissue. Permanent tissue. Let us first focus on meristematic tissue. The expansion or growth of plants is limited to particular regions due to the presence of specialized dividing tissue known as meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are of three types.